Hi, second grade. This video is going to be about your brainstorming sheet for your how-to writing, and we're going to go through this together so that you remember or learn, if you haven't talked about this yet in school, how to write a how-to piece. So when we're writing this kind of piece, we are writing instructions for someone to follow to do whatever we're telling them to do. So for example, you could be writing about how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, or you could be writing how to make a pizza, but today I'm going to write how to build a snowman. So I'm going to write my title, How to Build a Snowman. And you have to make sure that you choose something that you know how to do, something that you've done before. Because if we haven't done this before, how would we know how to write the steps, right? So what we have on our sheet are our transition words, which show us the sequence of what we have to do first, next, then, and last. And then next to that, you have your picture boxes to draw a small illustration of each step of the process. So you should have your pencil. I'm using a pen just so it's a little bit darker for you to see. But I'm going to go ahead and think about how to build a snowman. So the first thing I have to do when I build a snowman is roll a large snowball. You don't forget your punctuation, and I'll do my pictures later. So after I do that, the next step is to roll a medium snowball. And remember, whoever reads this may not have done this process before. So that's why I'm using words like large and medium so they know exactly what they need to do. Then roll a small snowball. So by now they should have their 3 different sized snowballs. And the last step is stack the snowballs on top of each other, but I don't want to stop there because they might think that the smallest snowball has to go on the bottom, right? So I'm going to say last, stack the snowballs on top of each other from smallest to largest. Now that still might confuse some people, so I'm going to make sure that my illustration shows them exactly what to do. So I'm going to go back and draw my pictures. First, roll a large snowball. So I'm going to show how big that is. Next, roll a medium snowball. So I'm going to show my large snowball again and a medium-sized one so that whoever reads this knows that they need to be 2 different sizes. Then roll a small snowball. So I'm going to draw my large one again, my medium one again, and a small one. Now they can see all 3 snowballs. Last, stack the snowballs on top of each other from smallest to largest. So this is where I need to show them exactly what it should look like, just like an instruction manual shows you what to do when you're building things. So the largest is on the bottom, medium, and smallest. And if I wanted to, I could even write labels, smallest, medium, largest, or anything like that to help the people understand it even better. So normally when we build a snowman, we would add a scarf or a hat or arms, and I didn't include that in this writing, but maybe I'll decide to do that when I write my published piece. But for now, I'm just going to leave my brainstorming sheet just like this. So when you do yours, don't forget to write your title of what you're teaching us and each step that you have to do in the process to do whatever you're telling us to do. Good luck, second grade.